Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we have two compact dash cams going head-to-head. On the left side, we have the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, and on the right side, we have the 70mai Dash Cam M300. Get ready for some heated competition, folks! Let's start with one of the most important aspects of a dash cam, video quality. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 boasts a wide 140-degree lens that records 1080p video with Garmin Clarity HDR optics. That means you'll get crisp detail day and night. Now let's talk about the smart features that these dash cams bring to the table. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 comes with voice control, allowing you to use spoken commands to save videos, start-stop audio recording, take still pictures, and more. It's like having your own personal dash cam assistant. When it comes to durability, these dash cams need to withstand harsh vehicle environments. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is designed to handle direct sunlight and hot temperatures. It's like a little warrior ready to capture any incident without breaking a sweat. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 and the 70mai Dash Cam M300 have proven to be worthy contenders in the world of compact dash cams. That's all for today's episode of Buy Smart. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Let us know in the comments which dash cam caught your attention. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.